Welcome to Thinking Feet Coding and Technology, where we help your child learn coding the right way. If the answer to one or more of these questions is a yes, and by the time your child reaches high school, if you would like to see them with a powerful, differentiable college portfolio, then yes, your child will benefit immensely from starting early on their coding journey. If you have your child start early, say as early as first grade, which most of our students do, by the time they're in high school, you'll see them achieve an amazing level of command with multiple coding platforms. You will experience your child developing creative problem-solving skills as a habit, and you'll see that manifest itself into areas beyond just coding. You'll see them take on schoolwork with poise, with ease, and anything they take up, you will experience them excelling in those with an amazing level of creativity, rigor, diligence, and a problem-solving approach. That's going to become their habit. You will experience your child taking charge in building the foundation for their own future success. You will simply sit back and enjoy the ride and see your child fly. What is unique about Thinking Feet's coding? We believe that the ability to think creatively, problem solve, and adapt in a constantly changing environment is significantly more important than just knowing how to code. This is why we cultivate independent thinkers, creators, and leaders. You will not find our students become instruction followers. We do not have them learn coding by giving them a set of instructions, a book, a booklet, and asking them to just follow that. Our classrooms are full of discussion, brainstorming, and problem solving. This philosophy leads our program to be driven by objectives and outcomes. We would like to share some of our students' success stories next, and you'll be amazed. We have had many students build innovative technology products and win awards in science fair, both at the regional level and at the state level. More recently, our team won first place in the College of Charleston High School Programming Contest, competing with more than 20 teams from across multiple states. In addition, we have had students give back to their community in one way to build a website for the city of Charlotte. If you go to that link that you see in front of you, you will see the live website that our students put together. We've had many students win many coding competitions where they got an opportunity to go to Washington, D.C. and present their apps to members of the Congress. Our students have held leadership positions in technology clubs in multiple high schools. And as part of that, they've gone on to win prizes in regional events all the way to national events. As you can see, we foster the platform that they can spring from and demonstrate amazing levels of accomplishment. And we achieve all of this by building our program to be objective and outcome driven. When they're starting out, our curriculum is designed to build a love of coding. We teach them how to deal with failure. They learn that success is riddled with intermittent failures along the way. And as a result, when they become older, they go to higher grades. They're not daunted with the tasks they take on. They're not afraid to fail. They embrace failure as a part of their learning journey. Take all the way through when we take them through a leadership track, and when they culminate out of that, they're already performing well in competitions, doing community service, doing independent research, creating amazing artifacts for science fair. They are the inventors of tomorrow. And by the time they're done, their college portfolios look simply amazing. I wanted to share a few examples of our curriculum as to how we inculcate learning, deep learning, into our programs. The first challenge is using the MIT Scratch platform. What you see in front of you is a bunch of letters that start moving from the right side of the screen and end up on the left, but you see that the letter T gets covered by the screen. Students are presented with this challenge to fix it so that the entire letter T and the entire word is visible. It's not as simple as it may seem, so please give it a try, or please ask your child to give it a try. If you go to that link, they can download the template and work on it on their own time. I'm sure they will enjoy the problem-solving journey. Our next example, for students who are familiar with JavaScript, what they see in front of them right here on the screen is a code snippet that can be used to design that yellow semicircle that you see on the screen. The challenge presented to them is using only the lines of code that they see in front of the screen right now. They have to draw a quarter circle. They can use any of the lines of code on the screen, they can modify any parameters, but they cannot use any line of code that is not included here. Try it. I think you'll enjoy the challenge.